Hello, my name is Tim Durrett, local broker, retired law enforcement officer, and member of the NABOR Safety Task Force. It has been brought to our attention by several state and local real estate brokers that fraudulent attempts to sell property have taken place in our area. The scam goes like this. The scam artist or fraudulent seller in this case makes contact with a local realtor in an attempt to list a property that they don't even own. During the conversation with the listing agent, the prospective seller or scam artist in this scenario provides the agent with all the proper documentation and information required to get the property listed. More than likely, this information was gathered through open record sources such as the county property appraiser or tax collector. Once the information has been conveyed to the listing agent, the unknowing agent draws up a listing contract, as we routinely do, and gets all the proper documentation e-signed through the normal channels. The unsuspected agent will then list the property in MLS for sale. When the property goes under contract, the fraudulent seller will then begin to communicate with the title company as if it was their own property in hopes that the sale closes and the money goes directly to them, the con artist. So far locally, we have been fortunate that the title companies have been able to identify the fraud and intervene, thus stopping the transaction in the last minutes just prior to conveying the proceeds to the fraudulent seller, the con artist. Local brokers and members of NABOR have been in contact with the Collier County Sheriff's Office in an attempt to identify these perpetrators. It's very important that if you have something that doesn't feel or appear to be legitimate, you notify your broker or local law enforcement officials immediately. Here are a few red flags and things to look out for this type of scam. Is the seller from out of the area, particularly out of the country? Does the seller have any local knowledge of the area where they may be trying to sell their own property? Are they hesitant to provide proper documentation when requested, such as driver's license, passports, tax bills, etc.? Did they provide a proper phone number in addition to their email or contact information? Can you contact them if you try to do so? Remember, if it doesn't feel right, it probably isn't. Again, please don't hesitate to contact local law enforcement and your broker if you see any of the red flags or something just doesn't add up. Let's protect each other and work hard to fight against this illegal activity together.